Here's a step-by-step guide in English to downgrade your iPhone 16 from iOS 26 to iOS 18.51 build 22 F76 using ipsw.me and how to back up your data first. Step 1. Back up your iPhone before downgrading. Back up your data so you don't lose anything important. Option 1. iCloud backup. Go to settings greater than your name, greater than iCloud backup. Tap backup now. Wait until the backup completes. Option 2. Mac/PC. Backup. Connect your iPhone to your computer. On macOS, open Finder. On Windows, open iTunes. Select your device. Choose Backup all data on your iPhone to this Mac or PC. Click Backup now. Important notes before downgrading. You can only install versions that are still signed by Apple. As of now, iOS 17.51 22F76 is still signed. Check https://ipsw.me to confirm before proceeding. Downgrading will erase your iPhone unless you restore from a compatible backup. iOS 18 backups cannot be restored to iOS 17. Step 2. Download iOS 18.5 IPSW. Go to https://ipsw.me, click download and save the .ipsw file to your computer. Step 3. Enter recovery mode. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Cable and computer icon. Step 4. Restore using IPSW. On macOS, open Finder and select your iPhone. Hold Option open parenthesis option, close parenthesis key, and click Restore iPhone. Select the downloaded .ipsw file. Confirm and wait for the process to finish. On Windows iTunes, open iTunes and select your iPhone. Hold Shift key and click Restore iPhone. Choose the .ipsw file you downloaded. Confirm and wait. Step 5. Set up your iPhone. After the downgrade, set up as new iPhone or restore from an iOS 18 compatible backup. You cannot restore an iOS 26 backup to iOS 18.